Good morning, dear students. This is the English class for the 11th grade students. Welcome to this virtual experience. Today, I am going to explain all the activities that you are going to do during this class and the next one. Okay, so this is the class overview. First of all, you are going to watch the instructions in this video. Be careful with this. And after that, you are going to join my class through Google Meet. You are going to find the link in separate. Remember that this is important and you need to check this link in advance, okay? And after that, we are going to continue with the session 1, which is going to be for today. And today we are going to be working with the vocabulary and the reading sections. And we are going to be working in your Prepare 7 students book, and the activities are in your book on pages 90 and 91. Okay, and when we are done with this class, we are going to continue with session 2, which is going to be for next class, and we are going to be working with the grammar and listening exercises on pages 92 and 93. Okay, and once we are done with these activities for session number 1, you are going to do this homework number 1, and it is going to be on page 153, and it is going to be related with conditionals. And for session number 2, we have the homework 2, and it is going to be the unit review on pages 96 and 97. Okay, now I am going to show you in the book what we are going to be doing in these 2 sessions. Okay, now we are in unit 16, and the name of this unit is New and Improved. As I already told you, this is going to be for session number 1, and we are going to be working on these pages, page 90 and 91. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to be doing is practicing the vocabulary, which is going to be related with advertising, and we are going to check the nouns and the verbs. Also, in order to learn this vocabulary, this one is going to be related with these pictures, and we are going to do some listening exercises, and I am going to play this recording in the class, and you are going to earn some points for participation in there. Okay, also, as soon as we finish this listening and vocabulary exercises, we are going to continue with the second part of this class, which is going to be for reading. Here we are going to work in class as well. I am going to give you the reading comprehension strategies. Once of them you know them, because it is important to check the connecting words and try to join or to match, the words and the keywords that you have in these questions, and you are going to find them in this reading. Okay, and with these 2 pages, we are going to finish the session number 1. Now, I am going to show you what you are going to be doing in session number 2. For this session, we are going to start working with the grammatical review, and this is going to be for conditionals, and we are going to have a review of the 4 conditionals, okay? And we are going to do these activities that are in here, okay? And for that review, I have prepared a document, and we are going to use it. This is the document that I am going to use in this class. This is a general review. As you can see here, we have the 0 conditional, which is used to state general truths. And here you have an example. As we are in the class, I am going to provide more examples for you. Okay, the first conditional, it is used to describe a real possibility, and this is the example that we have in here. Okay, and also I am going to continue explaining the second conditional, and it is used for an imaginary possibility. Pay attention to this, because this possibility, it could be also for present and for future. And here you are going to have the example, and also you are going to find this information it is underlined, and in class I am going to be explaining the general structure. Okay, and we are going to finish this explanation in the class with the third conditional, and this is used for imaginary possibility, but this is used in the past. Okay, so I also have provided one example here, and you are going to be checking and understanding these grammatical structures. So in the end of the class, if you want, I am going to leave this document as a PDF in the, it is going to be attached in separate, and you are going to be able to download it. Okay, very good. And after that, we are going to go back to our Prepare 7 Students book after completing these exercises for vocabulary, which is going to be related with collocations. We are going to finish the second session doing this listening exercise. As you already know, this listening exercise is quite related to the PET format. So for that reason, you need to pay attention to this because it is going to be pretty important at the time of the time that you take a PET exam. Okay, and we are going to finish with this exercise. This is going to be for your activity, and we are going to be practicing in couples. Okay, so those are the activities that we are going to be doing in class, and this is the homework that I am going to give to you. Okay, this is going to be the review, and the review is going to be on pages 96 and 97. This is going to be the homework, the review, and you are going to do all these exercises, and also you are going to finish with this. I want you to pay special attention to this part. Check this part, this reading. This is very, very important because, as you can see, this has the PET reading comprehension format. So for that reason, we are going to be working in this part. Okay, so my dear students, that's all for this video introduction. Don't forget to join my class through Google Meet, and remember that you are going to find the link in separate. Okay, so I am going to see you all there, and thank you very much. See you.